Hi everyone, now we walk with Georgi and we'll show to you Hansonville. This is popular place, Hansonville, very close from the Candy Tower and also near Georgi place. Say hi Georgi. Many people asking, how are you? How are you?
Now much better.
He said now already better. We can take video about Georgi, how he live, about his life later in another video. Okay, now I show to you Hansonville. This Hansonville before is very popular place, but now very few people now. This is restaurant, cafe. Yeah, it's good place, but very few people now. Bellissima. I think it's Italian restaurant. Yes. Italian. Yes, good place. Resta bar close. Police. Pizzeria. Empty, don't have people. But time now about 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Wednesday. Spa salon. Chinese. Maybe Chinese. It's Chinese language. Oh, buy low here, you see. Gcash. Indian restaurant. This is Indian restaurant. Look like an apartment. What is also Indian restaurant. Barbarinos. Also empty. Here empty. Oh, why so noisy? It's gym. It's popular gym. You see. This is very popular gym. Okay, we walk first. Kuro Cook is barbecue. This is barbecue. Traditional Filipino foods, you see. Yes, popular in the Philippines. Steakhouse. Empty also, empty, don't have people. Here cafe, Filipino foods, breakfast. Scott's customer parking. Scott's restaurant cafe. Oh, have salad. Scott salad.
Like Italian.
Yeah. Maybe Italian. I will ask. Excuse me, is this Italian restaurant or not? Not Italian. Korean or not? Or Filipino restaurant? Oh, this one. Filipino. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, good. Okay, thank you. Georgi is not Italian restaurant. Yes,
Salad.
Maybe menu? Yes, maybe. Filipino. It's a gym, very popular gym upstairs. Many foreigners who live here go to this gym. Okay, we can go, Georgi, let's go. 7-Eleven also. under the 7-Eleven have gym. Diesel, no diesel is okay here, 50-30. Because in my place 50. This is gym. You see. This is entrance to gym. Here, entrance. Crossbow I have like this I have in Russia. I order before in China. Different model, little bit different. It already new model, but I have a different old model, but also the same. You see, this is Jim Hensonville. Oh, cat slowly walk. He live here maybe. Massage, spa have, Korean food, family KTV, and grill also. Samgyeopsal is popular. Samgyeopsal. Filipino people like samgyeopsal. They already closed. Before is open space before. Now they put already maybe aircon inside. Free family KTV. Hensonville Homes. I never been inside. Georgi, did you check apartment in Hensonville before? You don't know? Too far? No, you see, it's Candy Tower is very close. From Hensonville, you see, this is a Candy Tower already. Yeah, I mean here. Hensonville is not far. Another grill. It's already Filipino style. This is grill. How? Hi.
Hey brother,
Hi.
you're a vlogger or no?
Yeah, try to take video. Oh, good steak.
It's a pork barbecue and
Okay.
full steak.
Many people. It's Filipino restaurant. This. It's okay. Take a look. Okay, thank you. Oh, many people here. You see, many Filipino. Full restaurant. Hi. Many people in your restaurant. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe weekend, many people. Hi. Good evening, thank you. You see, Georgi. But Filipino restaurant full, because price is good. Maybe a little bit, maybe already come back, maybe. Okay, Georgi, maybe walk to another side.
Okay, can take a rest. I mean, dangerous road, sir.
Yes, very dangerous, I know. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Any minutes starter, sir.
Yeah, I know. I already put it to my hand.
Your cell phone.
Yeah, I don't have cell phone. Thank you. Okay, we can go to another side. Georgi, another side. Thank you. Yes. Vape shop. Also someone built here. Maybe another grill house for makeup. Hair extension. Wow. But good style, good looking. I see people sing song. It's good. Philippine people like sing song in karaoke, even with phone, with microphone. Pizza. What is pizza? Oh. You see, pizza 175. Large pizza. Family 285. I think here. In Bobokin Street, one slice on only. But here all pizza 185.
What size?
You can ask. Okay. Size. This is size. Good evening, good evening.
This is price or size?
Yeah, price.
Oh, you see, 185.
This one is sizes, medium size,
Medium,
large
large.
size, family size.
Yes.
A party size big, so big, it's for a big family.
Yeah.
It's
But not
good.
already available, already sold out.
Available only medium, large and family.
Yes.
Do you have an
It's
address?
also a promo.
How to order? How to order? How to order?
Yeah,
In
yeah.
internet can order or not?
Only the one, we have internet, we have a Facebook.
In Facebook.
Yeah.
What your Facebook page? Maybe you have, and maybe I want order later.
Yeah.
Because price is really good.
Yeah. This promo is only 200. This Dandas Pizza in Sunville brand.
Mhm.
Dandas Pizza.
I can find only this name in the Facebook page.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. I can find. Don't worry. No?
It's Sunville brands.
Okay. I will find in internet. It's not problem.
In Sunville brands. This.
Another brand
Yeah.
you have.
This.
Because we have mini Dandas.
Okay.
Mini brands.
Aha.
But this brand is Hinsonville.
Hansonville. Okay.
Yeah. Are you a blogger?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Thank you very much. I will show to
Yeah.
another people.
You search the Dandas Pizza Hinsonville.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Bye. You see, Georgi pizza. How much here? Very cheap and good pizza. Yeah. I want to order later. I think it's cool. You see this. So guys, you see this pizza location. The location is front of the what is this? 7-Eleven and gym also. In center of Hansonville. Massage, spa. Korean food mart. It's from Korea. Maybe not only from Korea. Milk tea, coffee, milk tea. It's also all everything have here. Yeah. If you want street foods, so many street foods here. Salad also have, adobo. There's so many. Oh, dog security. I know have in this area have also hotels, apartment, but dark I not want to go. Villas also, it's so dark, don't have light. So this is location, is 7-Eleven, gym. Okay, we're going to another side. Need to slowly, sometimes faster. Laundry. This is two laundry and spa. Two laundry, spa and restaurant. Upstairs also have. And here, what? I like this one because you can wash car, sit and eat. You see, you can go with your car wash, and also sit in cafe. You see, you can sit in cafe, comfortable. car wash here. Promo Waxis 100. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. I take video.
Yeah, okay.
Not problem. Okay, thank you.
Problem, sir.
So can sit here, wash car, you wash car and I can sit and eat here, yes? It's all your place, yes? Okay. How much wash car? Toyota Fortuner, for example. How much?
So what kind of Toyota?
Toyota Fortuner.
Fortuner 220, sir.
220, okay. Vacuum cleaner,
Wash and vacuum.
wash and vacuum all including already. 220. Good price. So maybe I can come here and eat also. Can sit and eat. Okay, thank you very much. Until what time you work? What time?
8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
9 p.m. finish. From morning to evening 9, okay? Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. That is good. You see, 220. My car is 220 and already including vacuum cleaner also. I think it's good price. Security guard board here. What is car parking? Is parking? Is parking car?
Yes, sir.
How much park? How much?
30 pesos.
30 peso.
30.
30, yes, 30 peso. How long time can park here?
4 hours.
4 hours. Yeah, already have rates. Okay, thank you very much. I try to take video. Okay. 30 peso. To 4 hours. Okay, now I know. Same in SM, but in SM all day, here for 4 hours only. Here also pizza have. We can check also pizza. Pizza, it's a stop pizza house. Okay. It's okay, take video. No problem. Okay, thank you. This is price to pizza. Small pizza, 152. Medium 229, large 285. So different kind of pizza, you see. Also good. Top pizza, this one. This. Pasta also. Burger also have. And this is size. Different size also. This is small size, medium, large. It's maybe family size. Also milk tea have. How much is milk tea? 50 peso medium, 70 large. It's also good price here. Cheesecake also have. I think it's good here. Yeah. You can sit here. Also waiting place outside you can sit also. Okay, thank you.
When you plan, sir? When you plan?
From Russia.
Russia?
Yes.
I like it, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Vape shop. Oh, cat. Georgi want to take a picture, cat. Georgi, not touch, okay? Not touch cat. Georgi, he not interesting your phone.
Yeah, only.
Hi? It's your cat?
Yeah.
It's he owner. Okay, bye cat.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Amor Hotel. Room for rent also. You can rent room here. This is phone number. Phone number. Okay, we going to home. I already so many walk today. Later I also need to go to the Clark. Jogging. I walk after jogging also. Shira wait me in home, but I already cooked soup before. She will eat. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.